In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by signing in to Microsoft Teams. First, launch the desktop application on your computer, or you can access the web version directly in your browser. Once you're at the sign-in page, enter your email address and password to access your account. If you're using Teams for the first time, make sure you have the correct login credentials on hand. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the chat section. Look at the right-hand sidebar on the main dashboard. You will see various icons, and you need to click on the phone icon. This will open the calling interface, where you'll be able to initiate your calls. Now it's time to enter the number or contact you wish to call. If you're making an external call, simply use the dial pad that you see on your screen to type in the full phone number you wish to reach. Ensure you've entered the area code if applicable, so your call goes through without any hiccups. If you're looking to make an internal call to a colleague within your organization, you can utilize the search bar above the dial pad. Start typing the name of the person you want to call, and Teams will automatically show you their profile. Click on the name, and you'll have their contact details ready for your call. After you've entered the number or selected the contact, you're just one step away from initiating the call. Look for the green Call button, which is represented by a phone handset icon. Clicking this button will start the call and connect you to the person you're trying to reach. During the call, you'll have a number of options to help manage the conversation. If there's background noise, or if you want to take a moment without your voice being heard, you can easily mute your microphone by clicking the microphone icon on the screen. If you need to pause the conversation momentarily, there's also an option to put the call on hold, which allows you to collect your thoughts or attend to something else briefly. Another useful feature is the ability to add more people to your call, transforming it into a conference call. To do this, simply look for the option to add participants, usually indicated by a person icon or a plus sign. Once you've finished your conversation and everything has been addressed, it's time to end the call. To do this, find the red End Call button, which is typically located at the bottom of the call interface. Clicking this will hang up the call, completing your session in Microsoft Teams. That's all there is to it. You now know how to make phone calls in Microsoft Teams, whether to a colleague within your organization or an outside number. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.